Let's see if we can get video of the rain actually coming in. What I'm gonna do is, I guess I'll leave this piece of paper here. But sometimes when it's dark, you got your light on, you can catch the rain actually coming in. See it? You're seeing drops coming in. Look at my door. Soaking wet. It's coming from the top of the barrel. These are all installed correctly. You see more and more water hitting it. We'll flip it over to, I thought maybe that side would be dry. I'll leave this piece of paper here. I'll take a picture of it in the morning and see what it looks like.